Tired of juggling a dozen browser tabs for simple text tasks? Formatting JSON, converting cases, cleaning up data, it's a constant interruption to your workflow. Meet TextForge, the ultimate text and data manipulation toolkit, designed to bring all the tools you need into one fast, elegant, and responsive app. Let's start with messy text. Paste it in and immediately get live analysis of your word, character, and line count. With one click, remove all extra white space or collapse everything into a single clean line. It's that simple. Need to switch text cases? TextForge handles everything from standard uppercase and lowercase to the programming cases developers use every day. Instantly convert your text to camelCase, PascalCase, snake_case, and more. No more manual retyping. For developers, formatting data is critical. Take this ugly minified JSON, and with one click, make it perfectly readable. Need it compact for production? Minify it right back. Instantly beautify messy JSON or convert key value files directly into a structured object. It's a massive time saver. Handle all your encoding needs, base64, URL components, or generating a SHA-256 hash for security. And finally, stop searching for online generators. Need a unique ID for your database? Generate version 4 or version 1 UUIDs on the fly. Or create a strong, secure password with customizable length and character types in a single click. Stop wasting time and supercharge your productivity. Try TextForge today.